Hi guys, my name is Nika and today I am going to be doing a packing video. So I am super excited because we're getting ready to go on a 5-day cruise. This is going to be our first cruise. So yeah, just super excited. My family, we travel like a whole bunch, but we've never been on a cruise before. So I'm excited that we're going on our first cruise, and I'm really trying to pretty much pack light for the cruise, so we can just go on with one carry-on bag. The bag that I chose was this bag here. When I went to IKEA maybe about a month ago, I saw this bag and I said it would be a good bag for when we take our trips, because my kids don't usually bring a lot of clothes. So this bag, it could go in this size, or you could pick it up, kind of close it from this size. So in order to fit all our stuff in, I'm probably going to be doing it from this size here. But this bag, as I said, it's from IKEA. It has pretty good space inside the bag, and we have a zipper front for my kids to put all their little toothbrush and stuff, deodorant. Also, you don't have to access the bag from the top. You can actually unzip it and access it from this part. And if you have a laptop or anything you're traveling with, you can put it in on this side. So it's a different little compartment. So I thought this bag was pretty cool. I think the regular price for this bag is $19.99, and I paid $17.99 just because it was on sale, I believe, until the end of March. So if you desire to have this bag, just go to the IKEA website. Did I tell you it was my favorite store? I actually did a walkthrough through the Houston store. So if you want to check out that video, I'll leave the link in the description. And I'll try to put it to where you could, I guess, click like an end screen. I don't know how to do it yet, but I'll find out. So anyway, look for the link in the description. I'll link the bag, and I'll link my IKEA tour video. So let's get right into my packing. Another piece of packing equipment that I wanted to get was, I wanted to try the travel cubes. So I ordered these travel cubes. Let me see. Betlamori, I guess that's what it's called or whatever. Came in this bright yellow box because I chose to get the yellow ones. I love the color yellow. So got the travel cubes. It came with this bag to put toiletries in there, and I already stuffed some stuff in there because I was pre-packing. So it's a toiletry bag. It also comes with, let me just get all of the bags. Comes with a few bags. So comes with this size bag, but I'm sure you can put toiletries in this also. Comes with another bag to put, I guess, whatever you want in it. I'm not really sure. I'm probably going to give this to a couple of my kids or my husband. Comes with this bag. It could be used as a packing cube, but I guess it's another toiletry bag. And these are the bags that I'm most excited about. These are the packing cubes, which I'm going to try to put, I think they come in 3 sizes. Yes, 3 different sizes. I'll use this one for mine. I guess I'll give this one to my oldest kid, and then Carly will have this one. I ordered 2 sets of the packing cubes, so we have enough for everybody to do 1 packing cube in their book sack. So it's 3 sizes. Obviously, Carly has the smaller clothes. She's the baby of the family, so I'm gonna go with the smaller packing cube, this size here, and I'll put these away for the end of the video because I'm gonna be packing my clothes also. So I'll be doing my clothes and Carly's clothes. For Carly's clothes, she has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has 9 outfits and 2 bathing suits here. So we're only gone for 5 days, but a couple of the days we're wearing like 2 outfits. One for when we get down at port, and then I think one when we get back on the boat. And I just wanted her to have an extra outfit just in case something would happen. And yeah, and comfortable clothes to ride to there and from there. Her clothes that she's gonna be wearing to go there, I'll pack it just to have it contained in this cube, but of course she'll have it on to go there. Yeah, so most of her little outfits are either dresses or all-in-ones. She has 2 outfits that are like a shirt top and little shorts, and she only has 1 pair of shorts. She's gonna go ahead and wear those shorts for 2 days. And I just attached her bows to her little shirts because it's just a packing hack that I have, because she always misplaces her bows. So 3 pairs of shoes, which I'm not gonna be stuffing in the packing cubes. I'm actually gonna be just putting it in the bag. So I think I'll go ahead and do that first. I'll stuff those shoes in the bag. So she has this for her little dressy outfit. See if I can get up. I'm sure you won't be able to see me anymore, but with her shoes down there. She has swim shoes, and she has sandals. So her shoes are packed at the bottom of the bag, and we should have enough space to put her little cube. So I'll just go ahead and put that back here. Yeah, and I'll start packing. So hopefully all of her clothes fit in this cube. I wanted to kind of try it out before I started the video, but then I said, hey, it would be much funner if I just try to stuff the clothes in for the first time. I think they should all pretty much fit. So what I'm gonna do is the roll method for hers. I'm not gonna put flat clothes. It's gonna get, the pile is gonna get too high. So I'll roll her clothes. So I'll start with this outfit first. I want to try my luck and put in 2 more pieces. I actually bought 2 shirts kind of to match with Carly. We want to do the Dr. Seuss, what is it, breakfast on the cruise. So I bought 2 shirts for my godchildren so that they could kind of match with Carly. I like matching outfits. So I'll put that in there with Carly's clothes. Since they're so little, I don't want to get lost in my clothes. Yeah, so I'll clasp it up and begin with the zipping. So, start on this side. This side. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Wow. Oh, wow. I think I like this. Yeah, pretty cool. So I'm sure her clothes is probably gonna come out wrinkled, but nothing a little iron can't fix. But yeah, I got all of her outfits in this packing cube here. I'm so happy. So now our next feat is to get it into her book sack. So she's gonna have only 1 bag, yeah, on vacation. So hopefully we can get this into this. I'm sure it may be a little struggle, but as long as I can close it, it's done. Yeah, so it fit. There's a little Velcro clasp, and I actually could fit more things in here. So if I wanted to, I could take it down to the first level, and yeah. So Carly's all packed with this 1 bag. She has her toothbrush, she has a deodorant, toothpaste in here, and she's just gonna use lotion from my lotion. So she is packed. So as I said, I could fit more stuff in here. I Velcro the top and kind of use that top glass. But yeah, I think it looks neater if I roll it and use the bottom one, and it won't be so high for her. So I forgot to mention that I ordered these luggage tags, and they are of course bright yellow. So we all have black bags, and we have these bright yellow tags. It came like 8 in a pack, and I want to say it was $10. So I like yellow. I'll be able to spot our luggage. We are not checking these bags. These will be carry-on. Like, we're doing all carry-on. So yeah, so we'll just have to, let me go ahead and open the pack. I think all we have to do is flip it open, and we'll see our name. Just hang it on the outside of our bag. So I love the color yellow. So yeah, the next part of the video, I will be trying to pack all my clothes. I try not to take so much, but I don't know. Like, I have 3 extra outfits, which I think is not bad. A couple of my pieces, pants, I have to wear like twice. So I tried to cut down in that way. And then I have a couple of dresses, I think. Yeah. So we're going to be doing mine next. So welcome back to the second part of my video. The first part of the video was packing for my 10-year-old daughter. I was able to get all of her clothes in one cube and into this nice little IKEA book sack. Unfortunately, I practiced for mine because I have bigger clothes pieces, so I won't be able to fit everything in my IKEA book sack. But what I'll do with that IKEA book sack, I have like 3 or 4 pairs of shoes in there, a purse, and a belt. And then I'll put my little toiletry bag in there. So that's what's gonna be in my IKEA bag. So I won't have just one bag. I will have 2 bags. I'll have this IKEA book sack and this regular little weekender bag that I always bring everywhere. So I'm gonna be using 2 cubes for my clothes, just simply because I want to keep them separately, and I don't think I could fit everything into one of the cubes. So I'm using this smaller, like the smallest one, I believe, and this is going to be for all of my swimwear, cover-ups, and I'll even go back and put my underwear in there. So that's going to be with that bag. And then this large bag, the largest bag is this size, and I'll put all of my big pieces in there. So I'll start with the big pieces first, I believe. Yeah, I'll start with the big pieces first, and then we'll pack the little pieces. So what I'm trying to fit in here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little tank tops, 2 dresses, this kind of all-in-one jumpsuit for a formal night. What else? This outfit here, it's a very light material because it won't take up much space. This here, another all-in-one, and then 3 bottoms. So that's what I'll be trying to fit in this here. And again, I'll just use the roll method again. So I'll start with these dresses first. Yay! Got it all in for the first. And now I just have to pack my bathing suits and little cover-up thingies. They don't have to be fancy. I'll try to roll it, but they all like different weird shapes. So I'll roll as much as I can. Stuff that in here. 3 cover-ups because I have a lot of stuff to cover up. Can't just be walking around with all this hanging out. So a lot of cover-ups, and I have 3 bathing suits. That bathing suit is a little fancy. I got it from Bra Genie. I've been eyeing it for a whole year, so I was able to go back and get it. This is just the top that I'm gonna pair with this blue bottom, and then I also have the top, the right top for the blue bottom. So that'll make 3 bathing suits, and all right. Whew, that was tough. So got it all in, and we'll just be stuffing it in our weekender. It will be mine, and I think I did pretty good because I usually have like 3 or 4 bags. So a weekender for me, a book sack. Carly only has that, so we're good to go. Thank you for sticking with me through my packing video, and I hope that it's helpful to you guys, and don't forget to subscribe.